I have a GFCI outlet in my garage that keeps tripping. The outlet is tripping, not the breaker. I checked the wires and everything appears to be fine. I even replaced the GFCI outlet that was tripping with a new one and it still trips, a couple of times a day. The circuit in the garage with the GFCI outlet has a refrigerator, garage door opener, and a couple of other outlets all on the same circuit. However, all of this has been on that circuit for several years without any problems. Any idea why the GFCI outlet keeps tripping?
Hi. My name is I will be helping you today. Does this outlet control protect other outlets downstream?
I don't think so. I think it is the first outlet on that circuit. Of course, once it trips, nothing works on any of the outlets after that one, the refrigerator, garage door, box fan, etc.
That GFI outlet is providing protection for all of those outlets.
Exactly. I just can't figure out why it keeps tripping.
If you have replaced the GFI, then it is within one of the devices plugged in. Or perhaps there is an outdoor outlet that is also fed by this circuit.
There is an outdoor outlet that is also fed by the circuit.
That would be my first place to look. Check the weatherproof cover on the outside outlet.
I did check it, and it looked fine. I also think it is a GFCI outlet, as well, and it hasn't tripped.
Open up the outside outlet. It will be easy to tell if there are signs that water has been getting in.
Okay, I will do that tomorrow when I can see better. If that isn't it, where would you look next?
Having two GFCI outlet in a row, so to speak, can also cause this type of tripping.
There is no need for one on the outside of the house. Meaning, I don't need a GFCI outlet on the outside of the house. I think it is the last one on the circuit.
If, when you trip the GFCI in the garage, the outside out goes dead, I would replace the outside GFI outlet with a standard, not GFCI outlet and see if that helps. The outdoor outlet in that case is getting its required GFCI protection from the garage outlet. That's correct. It's redundant and can cause nuisance tripping, which is what you might be experiencing.
Okay, will do. If I check tomorrow and there is no water in the outlet, and I replace the outdoor outlet with a non-GFCI outlet, and it still trips, what would you do next? Just making sure I have a good plan for tomorrow.
If that does fix the problem, you have to start looking at each of the items that are plugged in on this circuit.
How would I know, for example, if something were wrong with the refrigerator or garage door opener that is causing an issue?
The GFCI trips when it detects leakage voyage to ground. If you got a long extension cord and ran it to a different GFCI outlet that took one of the items on this circuit at a time, plugged them into the extension cord and waited until the trip happened, eventually you would have the GFI on the extension cord trip, and not the garage GFI outlet. Then you would know which item needed to be repaired or replaced. I hope that's making sense to you.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. I'm glad that I was able to help you sort this out. Please feel free to come back with any future questions, and if that happens to be electrical in nature, you can start your inquiry with For Wire Guy Franklin. If I'm on the site, I'll be happy to assist you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.